so. That's why I'm here tonight. So put your hands up. Why shouldn't I let it flow? And pop it up in stereo. Oh. It's time to stop all fight. Ladies and gentlemen, the 89ers are back. Come on, let's go. That's why I'm here tonight. So put your hands up.